Hi everyone, good evening. For today's video, I'm gonna answer this question. Paano po ba iinumin? May laman po ba o walang laman ang tiyan? So she's asking about the Miracle Barley. Paano daw ba ito inumin? May laman ba o wala? So basically, before we start to drink our Miracle Barley, I asked for permission from our doctors. And so I asked our ortho, paano ba siya inumin? Okay lang ba na walang laman ng tiyan? So, for my hubby's case, maraming times na nauuna muna siyang uminom ng barley bago pa kumain. And so, nagpaalam kami kung pwede. And because its ingredient is hindi matapang sa, sa vitamin C, hindi siya nakaka-acid reflux. It has sodium ascorbate, which has the lightest. Hindi siya delikado sa tiyan kahit inumin mo na walang laman. At iniinom pa niya ito kasabay ng kanyang vitamins or ng kanyang calcium nung siya ay may pilay pa. And so it is, yes, advisable na inumin ng walang laman ng tiyan or also inumin ng may laman. Now, ano ba ang magiging difference pag ininom siya ng may laman o walang laman ng tiyan? Pag ininom mo ang Miracle Barley after your meal, ang tendency is that busog ka na tapos tsaka ka palang iinom, it's gonna be an additional calorie. So, minsan akala mo ito lang yung nainom mo or nakain mo within the meal, pero additional calorie din yung Miracle Barley sachet mo. Ang good news naman is that hindi naman mataas ang calories niya, 45 lang. And also, it's sweetened by stevia, so hindi naman siya ganun kadelikado for your kidney or yung sa diet mo talaga overall. Also, it is more beneficial kung nagpapapayat ka. It's best na inumin mo muna siya 30 minutes before your meal para makaramdam ka na ng kabusugan. And then, that's the time na you will eat. And so, pag nakaramdam ka na oops, busog na ako, dahil nauna na nga siya hindi ka nakakain ng marami. So, kung gusto mong magpataba, inumin mo to after your meal. At kung gusto mong magpapayat, inumin mo ito before your meal. Paano inumin? In my case, I drink it with 200 ml na cold water and then half sachet lang. Bakit? I have problem kasi sa heart and so hanggat kaya ko, kalahati lang dahil natatakot ako na tumaas yung BP ko pag binuo ko and at the same time nagkukuripot ako so ayoko siyang maubos agad. Also, for me kasi kahit na sweetened by stevia siya, matamis siya for me and so kung kaya ko naman kalahatiin, that's what I do. But nakaka-4 na inom ako or 2 sachets maximum a day. And so, napaka sarap lang talaga niyang inumin. Hindi siya, nakakasuka or nakakasuya or nakakasawa. I've been drinking it for like almost a year now and I'm just so happy na this came to my life. It changed my whole body. I already lost weight like 60 pounds and counting. And also, ang dami niyang nagawa na benefits, good benefits sa aking health. I am no longer the same person I was last year and so it made a big difference sa life ko. I'm not sure kung familiar na kayo dito sa Miracle Barley, but you can check out Ika online shop. I don't have a yellow basket, so you just check them out. I believe they have bigger discounts pag naka-live yung seller. You can check them out. I'm gonna tag them here, Ika online shop. Thank you for dropping by. See ya. Bye. Hi, good evening. So, I want to add a comment to this comment. So, she said, kasi po, hindi siya pure barley lang ang ingredients, which is mahal po talaga kapag barley itself lang. So, she's pertaining to the Miracle Barley na mas mura daw compared to other barleys na nasa market sa ngayon. And she's saying nga na hindi siya pure barley and may other ingredients siya, kaya hindi siya kasing mahal ng iba. I wanna add a comment about this since this is my 3rd day of trying out a different brand of barley. And so, let's unbox this and compare the 2 brands that I'm trying out. So, the other one, of course, is the Miracle Barley. And the second one is, with respect to the brand, hindi na natin babanggitin, but it's definitely a pure barley. Of course, number 1 dyan, ang pinaka-obvious ay yung lasa. Sa Miracle Barley, Ang lasa niya ay sobrang sarap. Hindi mo maiisip na isa siyang malaking chore o isa siyang malaking issue or isa siyang malaking event pag iniinom. It is so refreshing to the point na pag iinumin ko siya, parang wala lang. It's just a part of my system. It's just water. Ganon. Masarap siya. Hindi mo siya hihindian. Whereas yung regular pure barley, hindi siya masarap. Yun. Period. Number 2, tumaas yung BP ko dun sa isang barley. Dun sa pure barley. And don't get me wrong, tumaas din naman ang BP ko dito sa Miracle Barley. And it's because isang buong sachet ko siya tinake. Pero nung hinati ko siya, hindi na siya ganon. Hindi na tumaas yung BP ko. But then again, hindi ko naman mahati yung isang buong sachet ng pure barley because konting-konti yung laman niya at mas magiging nakakasuka siya pag hinati ko pa. But, good news naman is that today, hindi naman na mataas yung BP ko. So, we're still slowly testing that brand. Isa pa, na-notice ko na with the Miracle Barley, I'm stronger, I'm more alive, my mood is better. Kasi nga, meron siyang added na parang mood booster. Meron siyang mga additional benefits na talagang nakakapag-boost ng mood. And nakikita ko talaga yung difference niya pagdating sa energy, pagdating sa, sa mood ko all throughout the day na hindi ko nakukuha dun sa barley. Yes, I feel a bit healthier. It has almost the same benefits. Pero I swear, well thought of yung mga ingredients na meron itong Miracle Barley. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na this is a bad option kasi it is not pure. No, it is, I guess, a better option because the added ingredients they put in here are well thought of. It's really, all of the ingredients are best for the body. At mapapansin mo talaga yun pag nag-try ka ng dalawang brands. Also, another thing, nakakatuwa na when I am tired, it boosts my energy, parang kape, like what I mentioned kanina. But when it's about, for me, it's time for me to sleep, as in, maganda ang tulog ko at dire-diretso. Again, third day ko pala naman of trying that barley, that pure barley. But then again, napansin ko na yung tulog ko ay panaka-naka dito sa pure barley. And at the same time, hindi madalas akong antukin pag iniinom ko siya. Again, hindi ko alam baka kailangan ko lang pala talaga ng sleep, kaya ganun. So, may mga bagay na napuna ko talaga. And now, na walang collagen ang aking barley na iniinom dahil pure nga siya. And this Miracle Barley has collagen. As you can see, I'm having pimples. So, yan yung mga bagay na napuna ko or nawala or nagkaroon nung simula akong uminom ng pure barley. Hindi ko sinisiraan yung pure barley na sinasabi kong tinatry ko kasi meron din naman siyang advantages na i-share ko rin very soon. Pero hindi ko pa siya pwedeng i-share sa ngayon kasi under investigation or under observation pa siya. Third day ko pa lang, so it's so easy or parang masyado pang maaga para magbitaw ako ng salita. Pero for now, I must say na hindi kawalan ng Miracle Barley ang, na dahil lang hindi siya pure it is less better than the ones that are pure. That's one. Second, I must say na malaki talaga yung difference ng mga added ingredients na meron siya because obvious yung difference. Mararamdaman mo agad na oops, hindi na Miracle Barley yung iniinom ko. Sa lasa pa lang, of course, and also sa benefits. And finally, I must say na yung pagiging mas mura or mas affordable niya compared to other barley na pure, hindi siya kawalan but more on an advantage pa nga. Why? Because at the end of the day, I must say na nakakalaban talaga yung Miracle Barley compared to other brands. And at the same time, malaki talaga yung natutulong niya sa katawan ko. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na they're all just the same. Well, first, the budget is definitely different in terms of pricing. Number two, in terms of course of the taste, syempre, ano ba, kaya mo ba yung aftertaste at smell ng regular or pure barley? And lastly, ano bang kailangan mo? Kailangan mo ba ng collagen? Kagaya ko, kailangan mo ba ng parang energy booster or mood booster kagaya ko? Ano ba talagang kailangan mo? So, it really depends on you. Marami din naman ako nakitang advantages dun sa pure barley. But then again, that's for soon. But for now, all I can say is that hindi siya kawalan. And it's a big advantage na for this price, we get to enjoy the benefit of, you know, drinking barley and tons of added ingredients na talaga naman winner. Magkano kaya ang collagen sa market? Parang isang sachet na lang din nito. So, if you haven't tried it yet, visit Ika online shop. Check out Miracle Barley. Pag nagla-live yung seller, I believe mas mura siya. So, check them out. And wala akong yellow basket, so I'm not sponsored. But, yeah, kayo na ang judge on your own and see for yourself kung ano talaga ang totoo. See you next time! Hello! Good evening! Sagutin natin tong question na to. Paano mag-order nandito ako sa Singapore? So, she's asking about the Miracle Barley. The best way to order kung nasa ibang bansa ka is to contact Ika Online Shop. So, you can check out ikaonlineshop.com or you can check out their IG, TikTok, and Facebook, which is Ika Online Shop. Malalaman mong sila yun kasi ang dami-dami nilang followers and star ratings. Kaya yun talaga yung legit na shop nila. It's been a while and I am posting because I want to share with you, actually nauna na yung mga nasa Facebook and Instagram, na I already reached my 130-pound goal, which is kind of late na nga kasi supposedly every month, end of the month, nagbabawas ako ng 5 pounds. Pero lately, I think simula nung February na I misbehaved and I kept on eating chips and chocolates. Naging ano na siya, parang 40 days or 38 days. Parang nagiging every first week of the month na. Parang ganon. Nitong nakaraan, I believe na-reach ko yung aking goal around first week of April. And then, itong nakaraan din, nitong May, then, na first week of May then, na-reach ko yung 130 pounds. But, I did not share it with you yet. Maliban kasi sa nawalan ako ng boses, I was waiting for me to reach 129 pounds para sana legit na legit, diba? Kaso talagang ayaw nung weight ko. Plus, I have my period right now, so hindi ko na ina-expect na marireach ko siya anytime soon because of the water weight. So, I'm sure na talaga na hindi pa siya mangyayari anytime soon. So, I wanna share with you that finally, I'm gonna be moving na to my next goal, which is to reach 125 pounds. So basically, I'm not sure if that's already my right weight for my height, which is around 5'4". Let's see. But that's really not my target weight because I wanted to be a little bit lower than my right weight. So sa mga nakakakita na ng mga last post ko, mas napansin nyo na yata yung changes at mas nagulat ang iba. I guess because one, I've been wearing my old clothes which has XXL or XL na size. That's why you did not really notice na I'm losing weight. Second, I'm not really showing off my skin that much lately. And so nung nakita nyo ako na naka-swimsuit, finally mas nakita nyo yung difference. And so maraming nagulat. But just to assure you guys, one thing is for sure. Number one, I did not do anything like additional parang sculpting or Botox or anything na bayad or anything. If there is, I would be proud of it and share it with you because why not, diba? Ibig sabihin, it works. Number two, wag naman natin i-invalidate yung ginawa kong effort, which is calorie deficit, sleeping more, moving more. I had strength training for like 3 to 4 months around first week of September until mid-December, and then I stopped, and then I did it again for like a month. That's why I did it for like 4 months. I had to stop strength training because I am having spotting. Nagsa-spot ako. Nagkakaroon ako ng hematuria or dugo every time I pee na hindi nakikita ng mata. And so I just stopped it. And I stopped, I guess, 2 months ago already. And then, ano ba bang ginagawa? Oh, calorie deficit, I mentioned already. And, no restrictions. I eat what I want to eat. I still eat everything in moderation. But most of the time, I eat a lot during weekends, not yung mga weekdays. But still, effort siya. Self-control, patience, waiting. And 5 pounds a month or so. Like, umaabot na nga lately ng 38 days, ganyan, 35. Hindi siya mabilis kasi others are doing it for like 10 pounds a month, and so hindi pa siya mabilis. At least sabi ng doctor ko, pasok pa siya kasi I have like 7 doctors, and so kung masyadong mabilis yung pag-lose weight ko, mag-aalala sila at pagagalitan nila ako. So yeah, right now we're moving forward to 125-pound goal, and I'm just so excited. Ano ba ang susi? Definitely still Ika Online Shop Miracle Barley. And moving forward, I'm not sure if it's gonna be easier, but one thing is for sure, hindi tayo magmamadali at hindi tayo magsha-shortcut. Samahan niyo ako sa journey na to. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin tonight. Stay healthy and gorgeous and at peace. God bless you.